Yaw.
Me de baby a me de ehwe say GOLDBoD akota nyame adom. Se ne yesi ahwase. Ye emie ye ni susu wo other areas ni other sectors. Ebi ne say ye the COLDBoD by ye the GOLDBoD aba. COLDBoD ye hu nsunso a enya ye ma ye economy no. Ghana ye discover oil.
That's right.
Akota Ghana oil a ye discover in 2000 and something.
And
7 no say I started to no 2008 2009
commercial quantity 2009
no akota obetimi de won sense ubu a kire me single ade a yenye free oil nim but time I discover oil no ye bo say o parliament obekai president Kofo time a o mo de be gina parliament ade tuntum bi kire ye say ye hu oil wo keep 3 point na no kire so mako discover another one bi a abe manso between MPP ni NDC enra Collins adoma ko kire
say o catch up say dia
mo so hu nti akonta going forward yenya COLDBoD
yenya oil board
it is betima nya bibi a sector bi no so be manage oil no so amayen hu yenya real account of your oil no ayetu no ede akono Ghana stake wom eni sika efiri mu eba no emfaso
niema portia
niema pantia
omo
group bi
public interest and account
piak
omo report omo de bad bia ya na enye papa ase aban no etimi de saboy oil sika ni mu at any time
yes
I don't say me no
MPP aban create impression bi my yen say free SHS na omo
the oil no na ye
omo the oil sika ye tu no over 10 years so say ya yenya so mfa so no kakra bi a yaboa no ato no no ene e de kwa akwohwe ye ma no because sika no e da ho
no so ma obi aka say ene e ba ye ne yenya mfaso bi afi so aban agudie ne na japade ho say oil we de ene e de aye mfa hwe
so hunti akota si ye konya ebia that oil board and say committee dia e check say o mako hu ba ku bi o keep 3 points so say yes say no de pim ne taade na se a eno so ye betena wa hwe aye nhwe han ma obi ni we twe ene ye say abana ye disusu anwa no ye say ayira enti
okay baby
a
baby machine no yira e dey dipstick
ye say ye
dey abawo
obi dey abawo dey abejiro no dey wo susu say
for 6 months
ye bu te
Ghana ye ntumi ansusu na say sika na ye dey got Ghana pa say ye tuma mu ye say machine ye dey susu
yes
gauge no fango no asay enti ye dey dipstick na wo
obi dey aba ko wo mu dey susu amai no e 3 gallons we 2 gallons we 5 gallons
for 6 months o
ni ete woni ehwe
sika ye see to so po
nipa no so to etu na ka bosume no so
machine asay na ye nyewe ya be ne gauge na asay
mo
eti esom de abatentene bi
mo but when me na GOLDBoD no
Ghana ye naturally ya crofo
ba o man
GOLDBoD tine ya kwan bi ni mistakes ye oye ho ne yemfie ni nko na no ye tesi ye hu lithium eno so ye bo se kura de se battery a ye de sika so ye de tu ye phone mu ene wa
lithium
ye kokobo
lithium
obekai ye friend say ade ye ko hu no nyina hini bauxite ene ba ko wa sakwatia o se akota besine mi swaketekete na meti Ghana ye wo manganese ye wo bauxite ye ho akota what to say ya trans ya fe ye bu nko
na him say bauxite no ye wo mu company
mo Ghana aluminium
integrated
aluminium
ye ti o mu kasi osuni ade ye ntuma o mu board nyina
mo eti bauxite na ye tu nyina na kwa kosi said ye wo
ya madam for lawyer kra no o ka o mu
awaso unza ba ku bi wa awaso se hwe awaso akwa kosi say so akota na fimbe busa me question
finally
say akota 5 billion na President John Mahama say within 5 months
anye sika na de
oh my Ghana iti eda hosisi ambo
ehome
iti unse ye ti GOLDBoD no abai ka kire se ye kwa akwaje bosia aba 300 million bi near the abre GOLDBoD nom dia tuto godoka
ye dia ma o iti I'm told say 6
companies
buying companies and are buying a resource each with $50 million.
Inti akontasi say yakoje bosia yakope get rate 300 million.
Oh yeah, tiaka.
Any de bre GOLDBoD for so mon fan to gold.
Yeah,
inti yenti
and 350
5 billion nim. Na just aka 4.7 billion me bo.
Aka 4.7.
4.7 billion ni na Ghana de da host sia.
Da ya na dey.
Akota any person meti bida say in the next
4 years
away nim. Say point man to gold biewa. Akota me pese meti bio da se Ghana ye kwa akwaje bosie free baby. Wa akota obeka ya IMF sika no mo de ma 3 billion. Say wo say in the history of Ghana yenko IMF
a tranche of 3 billion.
Okay, say President Atamel's time na okoje is it STS Korea
3 billion. I know grandma
3 billion. Ama
yeah for policy for no go parliament.
We see house in business and yamaniama no what 2 billion. So we can say sika no ye bo say because ye listing niama
ye dey be ye
betima ye nke better ye infrastructure.
We are say you put insurance of 200 million and ye hu so pass obi asa.
STS Korea ye 2 billion ye kobo hu say IMF boy bosia 3 billion no kra no obepone dia mayen ya bose wo ho na say within 5 months nyame ya dom na enya 4.7 billion a sakontasi enya sika bia biewa this money
should do something.
I will say a build your mind. If me person mate say this guy be tuama contractors akota
say no say sika no
person mate say
say sika no kra ka ho bi ti na ma o man peni your mama say at the end of the month
contractors.
This if the GOLDBoD continues like this, your mama will 10 billion push infrastructure. Obey simple.
Yes,
say ekoswa next year your mama betima to adwuma fo akatua mu ye.
Yeah.
Owo niam bi ho no ma ho.
Yes, secondary schools here you call the traffic light. You better see classrooms.
Oh yes,
hostels name. Dormitories their man kwala no.
So say 2027 they will face it out.
Yes.
Because infrastructure should come to face it out.
Yes.
I don't know kind of be muntia say 100 days I'm say na mo mutie mo ya. 100 days in ente kwala school da be mu mo koda. Political noise there ebeba.
Yes.
By the way me know ya adwen say by the end of the year, if from February to June, you have 5
May, say
it was one Asante can say gold can say price it because we should be able to rake in 10
price a table from at least me sure say better.
Yeah, $10 billion every year if we can make that money from gold. 4 years of John Mahama's administration, in this we are looking at 40 billion. I was a Ghana.
Ne reflecting what certain
yes. I agree with you.
So
because GOLDBoD on the day
say Ghana
is a game changer.
Okay.
Initiative said they
okay.
GOLDBoD say I say Sami Jemfi ni aban no the transparency is the most important.
Yeah.
And so
I
between Sami Jemfi Bank of Ghana and the presidency near
and they giving us updates. And say to say yeah, oil small scale miner no turn the gold now because obo say ekwan onam so koye yagusu
and I would say president from small scale mining.
Yes,
and for the first time in the history of Ghana, Okachi say small scale miners let mama you go that me ya ton chain even the big mining firms.
It means when you streamline it well, we will get it.
No na sema no waka say ebe say ebedu baby Ghana for
you know
and also so when you for political space.
Yes, that's something finally.
For example, friends, oil now ya okay. On say you two oil now. Over the years, transparency has been a major problem. Because no say yes you two. Yes in Ghana dey we say we say yes say this guy kwakotoa sika ye nya e de koto ho no ya me hu dey ti yan say yes ebisi sika ye pale go ye mfa nye free stitches na ebisi ye mfa nwo eventually aban no ma ye de ka ye de oja ye hu ba de ba ko say o man say o man ye mi ni amreti na ye nti o ye ni nyina with regards to technology no ebe akra no enema ede wa ye no so bete ka on se enema pii cars pii ba enema pii ba enyusufo abiem
that's what I say